And here I am. Hi,
Oh, hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. I'll introduce myself quickly. My name is Eve.
Okay.
I'm a Canadian, and I live and work in Tokyo, Japan as an English teacher. Can you tell me about you?
Mm-hmm. How can I pronounce your name? Yves?
Eve. Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Yves. Okay. My name is Ahmed, and I'm from Iraq, and I live in the capital of Iraq. It's Baghdad.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Yeah.
it's the
And
first time to speak to someone from Iran or
interesting.
Iraq, sorry.
Okay. Oh, yeah, Iraq.
Yeah.
You pronounced it very well. Um,
Uh,
so this is my first experience calling Cambly tutor while I'm walking, actually.
oh,
I'm here, and as you can see, it's like a garage. You know, I'm fixing my car.
oh,
Oh yeah, and then the technician told me that you need to wait for like 4 hours, I guess, or maybe 5 hours. I don't know.
oh.
Yeah,
For a car
so
repair?
yeah, for repairing my car.
Oh,
So
oh.
I thought it's a good idea to spend like
Yeah.
a good time with family.
Yeah, why not? Yeah. It's a good time to do some English study while you wait.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, exactly. And you know what? And this is my first experience actually calling my or speaking in English while I'm walking. So I want to experience that actually.
Well, there you go. You can have a unique new experience. So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah.
You said you're from Iraq. What do you do for work?
Mhm. Um, yeah, I work different jobs a day. I work as an English teacher. I work
Oh,
online.
you do.
Oh
Oh.
yeah, yeah, I help people with their English, especially with the conversations. Um, I help the high school students with their English as well. That's how
Oh.
I make like extra money. But my main job is I have a computer shop. I work with technology.
Oh. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's really
Mhm.
exciting that you're also an English teacher.
Oh yeah, because I have bachelor's degree in English literature.
Oh, whoa. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's exciting. Yeah. I wouldn't
Hmm.
have guessed that. That's really interesting. Um, I have many students from Japan, but they studied English literature as well and work as English teachers. But I have never had someone from the Middle East who is an English teacher.
Uh-huh. So this is your first time. You got one.
Yeah. So great. So tell me a little bit about what you like to do. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to speak in English in my free time all the time, all day long. As you can
You like to
see.
picnic?
No, no, I like to speak in English when I have a free
Oh, speaking
time
English.
and
Oh,
during
and you have
my
free
time.
time. Oh,
Mhm.
nice. Okay. And
Am
is
I
there
lagging?
any?
Like, is my video breaking up a little bit?
No, it looks fine to me. Yeah. Is
Okay,
my
because
audio and visual okay?
yeah, I can see you very well, but I'm using like my cell phone data, so I think it's a little bit slow, unlike the Wi-Fi.
Oh, do you want to turn off your video to save power?
Yes, I just met my friend. Say hi to my friend.
Oh,
I
oh,
met him.
hello.
Okay,
Hello.
hello. Yeah,
So,
he's special with American cars.
oh, well, there you go.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
yeah. That's what a beautiful coincidence. It,
Oh my goodness. Oh, nice to see you.
yeah.
Good.
nice to see you. وين انا؟
Oh,
يلا استكملها وارجع لك. Okay,
yeah,
sorry for the
yeah.
interrupt.
I was saying that if you're
Yeah,
worried about Wi-Fi, you can turn off your video if you like. If you're worried about Wi-Fi or
yeah, but
data.
if I'm not lagging for you, it's okay.
Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, okay, nice. So you said in your free time you like to practice English, but do you do anything? Do you play games? Do you watch sports? Do you do anything else?
Oh yeah, I like to watch movies, series. This is actually what I like. I like to
Mm.
improve my job as an English teacher. I have a website. This
Oh.
website is for teaching English. So on Google, I made it myself, and you know, I add the curriculum. In my opinion, my like Iraqi people, what they need, I put in my website.
Oh. What do you think Iraqi people need when they are studying English?
Um, First of all of the English learners, they need first like the confidence to speak,
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and then I work with them like I help them to introduce themselves properly.
Mm.
Um, I help them with the pronunciation. Yeah, sometimes they have we have like a strong sounds like ba, you know, ba, like the letter B.
Oh.
We don't
Oh.
have the letter, yeah, we don't have the letter P. So
Oh.
instead of saying people, they say people.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think
Oh. So.
uh, most of the Middle Eastern countries um, they have this issue.
Uh,
Yeah.
so there's specific issues with pronunciation because of like the different alphabets and the different sounds.
Oh yeah, and I have a student uh, who likes turn the game. How? Like he's trying to pronounce the letter P in all the words. So for example, instead of saying book, you say book. Oh my goodness, no.
Yeah.
I'm,
So now he just
I'm
makes
like I'm
everything
trying.
P.
Yeah, like I'm trying to make you distinguish between how do you distinguish between the P and B, not like turn
Mm.
all of the words to B.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that sounds very silly.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hmm.
So do you hope to someday only teach English to make it your main career?
I guess yeah. I'm thinking about that actually. I'm thinking to open up my own institute for teaching English. Um,
Mm.
like you know, but it's a big step for me because I have been working with technology for the past, I guess, um, 17 years. So
Oh.
it's a hard
You
decision.
feel some
Like
loyalty to them.
yeah, so I need to. No, actually, it's my own business. Like I am the manager.
Mm.
Yeah, but
Mm.
like since Corona hit, my my business started slowing down. So I
Mm.
needed to find another job, you know,
To
instead of
help
the
with
open
your
business.
income. Yeah,
Oh
and also to
yeah,
make a yeah, yeah.
yeah.
The same for me. Yeah. Well, during the pandemic, that is when I decided to move to Japan. So
Hmm.
yes, I decided to
Ah,
become an English teacher during the pandemic. Hmm.
so before this career, what was your job?
I worked in retail management, so I managed multiple retail stores, and I would manage. other people, other managers. So
Mm-hmm.
in a retail store, there would be a manager, and I would manage that manager, and I would make sure everyone is doing their jobs and we are making money and all of those things. So
Oh
that
yeah.
was my job before.
Mm-hmm.
Very businessy.
Yeah. And then you turn to like teaching.
Yeah. I always wanted to live abroad, and
Mm-hmm.
especially in Asia. So
Yeah.
I decided to apply, and yeah, I decided to move. Yeah. Have you
Uh-huh.
ever thought of teaching abroad?
Um, teaching abroad. Actually, while I'm teaching online, I guess I'm traveling, Like,
Oh, kind of. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
you're still making money while you're at home. Um,
Oh.
you have an internet, right? Because I taught um, students from different countries from Middle East.
Oh.
I I got some Indian students as well.
Ah. Like from India.
Yeah, from India. Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Oh. It seems like you have found many students from many different places.
Oh yeah, yeah.
How did you find all of these students from far off places?
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me tell you this. So I started here on Cambly practicing my English
Mm.
from zero. I can say from zero
Mm.
in terms of like conversation. And
Mm.
I started my YouTube channel and I started posting
Oh.
like my conversations on YouTube. Of course, with the tutor
Oh.
permissions. Yeah. So the first video was so awful, because my English was awful, but
Mm.
I had to like to document my journey in English and like
Mm.
build a perfect example for my students. Like, look, look at me, how my English was like awful, and look at me today, like
Oh wow,
just
your improvement and growth.
just to yeah, just to motivate them.
Mm. Wow, that seems like a really nice way to track your progress and see how you're doing and how you're growing.
Yeah, yeah, man. If I
Wow.
every time I feel like I am sad or upset, I go to my YouTube channel and watch my like the old videos, and I see,
And you're
wow, look at
I
me.
improved so much.
Uh,
Yeah.
oh my God, yeah.
Mm.
And I had a lot of interesting conversations. Uh, I got to know the cultures because Cambly it's diverse.
Mhm. Yeah, you can meet lots of different people. Yeah, and it's
Yeah,
very interesting to hear about different cultures and different customs. Yes,
yeah.
I've learned so much about other countries just from being
Oh
on
yeah.
Cambly. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, we
The conversation is going
yeah,
to wrap out.
yeah,
We
we have only
really made a really good conversation.
oh, good. I'm glad. We only
Thank you
have
so
30
much.
seconds left, but yeah, it was
Oh
so nice
yeah.
to talk to you. Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
very charming and very easy to talk to, and you have such a great smile. So I appreciate being able to talk to you today.
Thank you so much. Do I have your permission to pause this video?
Sure. Yeah, sounds good to me. Perfect.
Thank you so much.